Humans are supposed to be social beings partaking in regular interactions as part of natural, social, healthy living style. In fact, the need for social interaction is so generalized that ending up alone is looked upon as an unfavorable and unhealthy outcome, sometimes even associated with mental problems. People who end up alone are often considered losers rejected by the society, since seeking human interaction is the majority urge. But exceptions do exist. Some of us actively seek the solitude of being alone. Some of us are not rejected by the society, but it is the other way around. For some of us, solitude of being alone is a basic need for healthy survival. Yes, being alone does mean cooking your own meal. Yes, it does mean washing your own dishes. And when the storm comes, it does mean surviving it on one's own. But aren't these basic survival skills everyone should be comfortable with? You see, irrespective of your preference, there are two truths you can't ignore. Progress is fastest when one is working on it alone, without social interference. And no matter how many mates you start with and how many people you have to care for you, in the end of the day, it's every man for himself. There will always be battles you will always have to fight alone. So, even if living alone means living in the shadows, for some of us, the peace that comes with it is worth it.